What is brain training for dogs? Does brain training for dogs really work? Where to buy brain training for dogs? Hi. In this video I'll be reviewing the Brain Training for Dogs, an online dog training course, which claims to train your dog into amazingly obedient, highly intelligent and well-behaved pet of your dreams, with simple force-free and gentle techniques. Brain Training for Dogs is created by one of America's top professional certified dog trainers, Adrian Faricelli. Adrian is a professional CPDT-CA certified dog trainer. She runs a successful board and train company. Her training work is published in USA Today, Every Dog Magazine and many more places. What's inside this program? What do you get with this program? The main program is a step-by-step dog training program using animal behavioral science, which is divided into 7 modules. Module 1, Preschool Module 2, Elementary Module 3, High School Module 4, College Module 5, University Module 6, Graduation Module 7, Einstein. Plus if you act early, you may also get 5 additional bonuses, which includes 7 trick training videos, Obedience 101 training, polishing up your training, Adrian's huge archive of various dog training problems, behavior training for dogs. Plus you also get access to a private forum for members of this course. Does Brain Training for Dogs course really work? Because it is a step-by-step course, created by a professional certified dog trainer, it works really well, and this is proved by hundreds of testimonials as well as feedback of the forum members. They are sure that it works. That is why this course also gives you a 60 days money-back guarantee. Where to buy Brain Training for Dogs? While researching for this product, we have found a special link for this product, Brain Training for Dogs. Click the link given below this video which will take you to the latest discounted offer for the course. For a detailed information about this product, click the link given below this video. Please hit the subscribe button for interesting dog training videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.